Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the right bread. Slightly stale gives crisp crumbs without gummy centers. Cut into uniform 1/4 to 1/2-inch pieces so heat distributes evenly. Once cut, dry them out. Use a toaster or 350 degrees F oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Aim for dryness rather than deep browning to preserve neutral flavor. Make sure to cool completely. Warm bread steams in the processor and creates clumps. This early step sets texture and shelf life for everything that follows. You now transform dried bread into crumbs with purposeful pulses. Short bursts control size, so pulse until you reach the target coarse or fine texture. Once crumbed, add seasoning, about 1 teaspoon salt, 1 to 2 tablespoons grated cheese or dried herbs, so flavor distributes evenly. After seasoning, run a few more quick pulses to incorporate. Make sure to pause and scrape the bowl. This prevents uneven grinding. This step builds taste and ensures crumbs bind well in coatings or fillings. You finish by cooling and drying crumbs on a tray so residual moisture escapes. Leave 10 to 20 minutes depending on humidity. Transfer to an airtight container. Store at room temperature for 1 to 2 weeks or freeze up to several months for long-term use. When using, check texture. If crumbs soften, recrisp in a 300 degrees F oven for 5 to 8 minutes. If your crumbs clump, pulse briefly with a dry spoonful of breadcrumbs or retoast. That usually fixes moisture-related problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.